Dear students, welcome to biology class. Hope that all are doing well. So in the previous class, you learned how to conduct the experiment to prove carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Today I would like to explain what type of questions will be asked based on these experiments on your examination. So what is the aim of our experiment? To prove that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. So in your examination, the diagram is given in that paper, question paper, and questions may be asked like this. What is the aim of this experiment? So you have to write to prove that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. And then what are the apparatus required to conduct the experiment? So you can easily write it. What are the apparatus used to conduct this experiment? A potted plant with long narrow leaves and a wide mouthed bottle, split cork, potassium hydroxide, grease or Vaseline and iodine solution. So like that you have to write the answer for that question. And then they may ask, what are the precautions you should take while conducting the experiment? While conducting the experiment, you should see that leaf should not touch potassium hydroxide solution. And we should apply grease or Vaseline onto the mouth of the bottle to prevent the entry of air into the bottle. So that is the answer for the question. And then another question we may expect from this experiment, that is, what is the use of potassium hydroxide we are using in this experiment? Why we are using potassium hydroxide? The answer is potassium hydroxide is useful to absorb the carbon dioxide present inside the bottle. So we are using potassium hydroxide to remove carbon dioxide from the bottle. Let us see another question. That is, what is used in this experiment to remove CO2 from the glass bottle? So to this question, you know the answer very well, that is potassium hydroxide. Let us continue in the next class. Take care. You may also ask, write your observations regarding this experiment. So the answer for this question is, the leaf which was exposed to the atmospheric air becomes bluish black, and the one inside the bottle contains potassium hydroxide that absorbs carbon dioxide in the bottle does not become blue-black in color, which shows that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. So like that you have to write the answer for this question.